In this video, I'm going to show you how to access the backend services page within Power Pages site. Now, when you freshly create a Power Page site, you will be you know, like getting this kind of an interface for authoring your Power Pages. But then, if you want to access the internal pages, which allows you to clear the cache and the config, then you can access those page by manually typing the URL. Now, take for example, this is my Power Pages site. I'm in the Power Pages Design Studio, and let me preview the site. Okay, so this is the website with a home page. Okay, now if I want to access the backend site, what I'm going to do is I'm going to append the URL with underscore services slash about. Okay, the moment I do that, I should be navigated to the services page, which will allow me to clear the cache and config. Now, many times you may not even able to see that page in its entirety. Okay. Now, if you see here, it just gives you the version number of the portal. It doesn't show you more details and a button to clear the cache and config. Now, how do you get access to that? So for that, you may need to click here, go into the backend page, which is the Power Pages Management. So under Power Pages Management, now my site is Movember. So if I go into contacts, okay, so I should be able to see the all the contacts which is attached to my Power Pages. So let me find my contact. So I'll go to all contacts and then try to find my name. Okay, so my name is over here. So if I open this, now I'm in a contact page, and this here in this view, if you're not in this portal contact enhance, navigate to that. Okay. So I'm in that portal contact enhanced view. So if I just scroll down, I should be seeing this web roles over here. So if I refresh this, I should be able to view the web role which is attached to it. Now, if the administrator is not uh, administrative web role is not attached to your website, then you may not be able to view those requests. Okay, so let me show you this. Like now here, uh, if I click on edit, I'll see that administrator role is attached to this Movember site. Okay, now let me do a sync, and then refresh this page. Okay, just to show you at the start that there is no permissions attached. And if you see here under web rules, I don't have that permissions attached. Okay, so I have removed that permission. Now if I click on add existing web rule, and if I try finding administrator for this particular site Movember, and if I click on add, then I should technically see this which was there earlier. I removed it just before I demoed it to you. Now this rule exists. Just do a save. Okay, and once you do that save, just go into the Power Pages Design Studio and then sync the site. And once the syncing is complete, we will go into the page and try to refresh it. Okay, so let's refresh this. Now the administrator role is assigned to this particular user's web role, and if the settings persist, then I think we should be able to see some more details. Okay, so it's still loading. Yes, now as you see over here, now you can see more details. Now some of the details you can see is the geo, org id, portal id, the template type, the portal type, tenant id, authorization key, expiration date, and then here you can find clear cache and clear config. Now clear the cache will result in a temporary slowness of your portal as it reloads the entire data from Dynamics 365. Clear config is like kind of a subset, which will clear config will clear the config data from the cache and will cause temporary slowness. So here, once you click on it, you can actually clear the cache of your website. So that's it, folks. This is all about getting into the underscore services about page. If this page is not visible, then you need to go into the contacts and in the backend, and then under web roles, you need to attach this web role of administrator. And once you have an administrative web role assigned to your contact, then you should be able to see this details, and you can then onwards clear the cache and clear the config from this particular page. Thanks for watching.